Hey y'all, Officer Karen Law Dog and Charles Wallace Hanson IV reporting live to you outside Mojave Superior Court. Charles has his he's wearing these glasses only because they're green, and this month is St. Patrick's Day month.
But
they're his festive leftovers from Christmas. He's recycling them. Unlike the royal family, they don't recycle their clothes, although one of them did get caught recycling a jacket.
Yeah, so anyway, what I'm doing here is I got to go to court today, and because of St. Patrick's Day.
It's not St. Patrick's Day yet, honey.
No, but it's St. Patrick's Day month.
Yes.
St. Patrick's Day month. And the best part about it is next month.
This month is Charles's birthday. As a matter of fact, next Saturday.
Join me.
Next Saturday.
BYB.
Don't tell him where. Don't tell him
BYB.
where. Don't tell him where. Next Saturday is Charles's 60th birthday. And if you want to join us in celebrating, we'll give you the 411 of where that's going to take place, and we would love to have you join us for Charles's 60th birthday celebration. But before we get to that, we're here in court today. So for those who have been faithfully following the journey, last February 11th, we were downtown at 1215 Truxton Avenue because, as you recall, Cayman Aguirre used his badge and his position as a Kern County Sheriff's deputy, because Youngblood has no control over his rank and file, so I don't know why he's putting lipstick on a pig, telling the DOJ that in 2 years he'll take care of those 68 violations, when in the last 5 years I can prove that probably out of those 68, probably the majority of those are the ones we've exposed. Anyway, Cayman took a default restraining order because the law dog was out of state, and if you say you can't get a hold of us, it's because you didn't want to get a hold of us. Yeah. But they lied, said that they exercised due diligence in getting me served when they did not. And so there is a winner chicken dinner on that post, but I'm going to have to look up who it is. I think it was whoever said how much we spent to get those transcripts without going over. And there is a winner. And I have to verify what I did say you would be winning, but if it was a lottery ticket,
it could be more.
Charles, it could be more if you have a winning lottery ticket.
It could be nothing.
Charles brought those today to pass those out. But anyway, my subscribers have known for a while now, because they get first, sometimes only in early access to information. And they were the first to know that after that default was taken and we went into court and we requested to have that set aside, yes, indeedy, it was getting set aside and we were going to have our day in court. And I got the transcripts of that proceeding, because I can't give legal advice, but they'll never beat my price. But if you ever have a restraining order case and you think you're going to need testimony that was said under penalty of perjury, and you might need it for a later court date, well, you better buckle up and request that they have a court reporter there, because otherwise you're not entitled to that. But I have it. And in order to avoid you going to hold that, honey?
I want to show it.
Okay, well, don't get up on that yet, because I didn't even say what it was.
No, but what I want to say is one of this is this is why you don't file false reports as a cop. And Cayman, even though you dropped that shit, we're gonna need our money back, asshole. So
Oh, and then some.
We're gonna
Oh,
file.
and then some.
We're gonna file a response to that. We're not.
I did
we're
file
not-
a response.
We're not letting you off the hook,
Somebody's
Cayman.
smoking a stinking cigarette, and I thought you weren't allowed to do that. So
Within
many
25
feet.
within
Well,
25
I'm smelling it,
but-
so somebody's within 25
Call
feet.
the cops. Come on, let's go meet our jurors.
So anyway, that's done. We were supposed to be back in court on that today. Well, Cayman's lawyer from Fresno, and I don't know if the union, the sheriff's union, paid for that lawyer, or if Cayman paid for that lawyer. But essentially, that lawyer tucked tail. Took him 2.5 years to pass the bar. He was told that this ain't the hill to die on, and now that case has been dismissed,
My jurors are here to see me,
which
my dear.
denied me the opportunity to have my damn day in court. But that's okay. My response is on file, and I stand by my response. Now we're going in here.
We're gonna. Can I do a?
Oh shoot, I gotta switch shoes. Now we're going into Mojave on Charles and I's criminal matter, because Cayman still went crying wolf to his colleagues.
And look at what
They're gonna
Cayman
leave
did
him
to
holding
you,
the bag.
bitches. Cayman
They're all
rolled
gonna
over
hold
on
the
you
bag.
bitches because he wasn't gonna.
They're
he
all
wasn't
gonna hold the
taking it.
bag.
Yep, y'all.
So we
Well,
have that criminal case to
Two
deal
of
with.
them are not holding the bag, but the rest of you idiots are.
And the other one is the 2024 unlawful arrest, where Bradford Frizzell pretended I beat him up.
Yeah,
He scratched himself.
Yeah, he got a hang now.
Like an hour and a half later, doing an illegal search and seizure and playing in Charles's Corvette. I'm gonna have to shut this, but we're gonna let you know how everything goes once we come out. But right now, they're trying to get a criminal protective order to protect Cayman after he had a civil protective order, and he was going for one, and then he dismissed it.
Come on,
So,
Natalia.
and
they can
he
tell
said,
you, they can
and
send,
he said there's been no incident.
Come
So
on, Natalia. They can send you a message. Okay.
okay.